So my name is Debbie Roberts and I'm the Head of Department for Engineering here at Staffordshire University. So our new Manufacturing Engineer Apprenticeship at Staffordshire University is based around an academic qualification as well as training within the employment environment. The learning for the apprentices will take place in a mixture of on-campus and distance learning. So on campus, they'll be in the labs in the world-class facilities that we have here. The distance learning will enable them to keep in contact with their tutors throughout their learning, engaging with them one-on-one, but also in groups.
So some of the workplaces that the apprentices here are working include Bentley, KMF, Leone. These are all leading manufacturers in their trade, and they definitely hire and use the knowledge of apprentices in their manufacturing setups.
So apprenticeship study, where you're actually in employment but also in education at the same time, can give a learner the benefit of both worlds. So they're able to go out there and earn money and gain experience, which is really important for their future career, but they're also building that educational knowledge and improving their skills at the same time. So there's a wide range of people that can actually sort of get into this industry and get working and really achieve. We need people who have creativity, who have those strong sort of analytical skills, that are able to see a bigger picture from an initial design and take it forward into development.
We've got a lot of engineering work coming down the line, if you like, so the engineering apprentice is going to have a lot of project work to go alongside that. I think it's better and more beneficial for the apprentice to do the degree whilst earning a living and doing the job at the same time. It's all about not just future-proofing for the business, but helping them as well.
It's a really good, strong base to get out there into industry because it's an internationally recognised qualification and helps them along their road to become incorporated engineer or chartered engineer in the future, which is a real gold standard in terms of being an engineering professional.